Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Shea O'Reilly here with Shea Micheal Solutions, and I just wrapped up an epic website build for my good friend Tim Atoy over at Primax Freight Leads. Now, Tim came to us wanting to rank higher on Google, and let me tell you, his old website, it's gone. We built him a new one that dwarfs the old in every way possible, from sleek design to killer functionality. It's built to help him climb the ranks on Google fast. So Tim's been an awesome guy to work with. He's honest, flexible, trusted us every step of the way. And guess what? The SEO work we're doing is going to help skyrocket his online presence over the coming months. If you're ready to level up your website and take your digital game to the next level, like Tim, hit us up at Shea Micheal Solutions. We appreciate you guys listening and tuning in, and y'all be blessed.